Welcome to Odisha Post Live. You are watching News Roundup of the day. Here are today's top stories. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik on Sunday called up Rourkela lad Soeb Aftab, who topped NEET examination recently, and congratulated him on his success. Aftab from Rourkela town in Sundargarh district of Odisha created history by scoring 720 on 720 in the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, results of which were declared on Friday. He is also the first student from Odisha to have topped the test. The Regional Centre of India Meteorological Department on Sunday issued a rainfall and thunderstorm warning for several districts of the state valid till 8:30 am of October 19th. In its afternoon bulletin, the centre said light to moderate rain or thundershower is very likely to occur at many places over the districts of South Coastal Odisha and at a few places over the districts of North Coastal Odisha, Malkangiri, Koraput, Rayagada, Kandhamal, Dhenkanal, and at one or two places over the rest districts of the state. In order to facilitate shifting of a critical patient from a private hospital in Bhubaneswar to Biju Patnaik International Airport, who was in exigency of organ transplant in Chennai, the Commissionerate Police provided Green Corridor on Saturday. Green Corridor is an escorted and traffic-free path on road which helps the harvested body parts as well as critical patients in reaching hospitals for further treatment in a short notice. Senior journalist from Keonjhar district Dhiren Kumar Raut succumbed to COVID-19 on Sunday. He was 62. Raut, a resident of Keonjhar town, breathed his last while undergoing treatment at a Cuttack-based private hospital. Yet another incident of poor road connectivity playing with the lives of people living in remote areas of the state surfaced on Sunday after a pregnant woman had to be carried on cot to avail health services in Nabarangpur district. The incident was reported from Bhelukot village under Patakhalia Panchayat in the district on Sunday. Police and fire personnel on Saturday recovered the bodies of two sisters who had jumped into the Tel River under Tushura police limits in Balangir district on the 15th of October. Their bodies were recovered near river banks in separate districts on Sunday. The body of younger sister Aanchal Agarwal was recovered from the river banks at Balatenda village under Tarava police limits in Sonepur district. Later, the body of the elder sister Anmol Agarwal was recovered from Mahanadi river in Janhapankha area of Bhuj district. The reason behind the two taking the extreme step is yet to be ascertained. A huge blast in a godown full of stockpiles of firecrackers killed 3 unidentified persons and injured half a dozen people in Accra. The number of casualties could go up after the debris is cleared, police said. The whole area was enveloped in a cloud of smoke and stink. The explosion was heard even 2 kilometers away. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan on Sunday admitted that India is in the community transmission stage. However, it is limited only to certain districts and states. The statement has come in the backdrop of West Bengal's Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's admission on Monday that the community transmission of COVID-19 has started in the state. At least 16 people were killed and 90 others injured after a powerful explosion on Sunday rocked on the city of Firozkoh, capital of Afghanistan's Ghor province, an official confirmed. The official added that many of the injured remained in critical condition. The blast occurred roughly at 11:15 am when an explosion-laden minibus was detonated in an area where the provincial police department and several other government offices are located. That's all for today's bulletin. You are watching Odisha Post Live. For more such updates, stay tuned to our channel.